Welcome to Touch to Click. Today we will show you how to set up a media library in VLC Media Player. This video will guide you through each step so you can organize and access your media easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click the search box on your taskbar, type VLC, and select VLC Media Player from the search results to open it. This opens the main VLC interface where you can access all settings and features. Step 2. Click Tools on the top menu, then click Preferences. This will open the settings window where you can customize VLC according to your needs. Step 3. In the Preferences window, go to Show Settings at the bottom and select All or Show All. Step 4. In the left sidebar, click Playlist. This section manages your media playlists and library settings, letting you organize your videos and music efficiently. Step 5. Check the box next to Use Media Library, then click Save. This enables the Media Library feature so you can store and organize all your media files in one place. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful guides.